Hello and welcome to Easy French. My name is Sangita and today we are doing lesson number 22, Corrigez les fautes. Now, this is to correct the grammatical mistakes in a given sentence or a paragraph. So, let's start. So, guys, before starting, let's refresh that we have done verb être, which means to be, means I am, you are, he is, she is. Then verb avoir, to have, I have, you have, he has. Verb habite, to live, which means you live, I live, and so on. Verb appelez, to call oneself, or what is your name? My name is so and so. So we use verb appelez over there. Then verb faire, to do and to make. Then we have done small test just to check your knowledge, how much is your advancement. So it's a small test. These series are all tests or of fill in the blanks with indefinite articles, fill in the blanks with definite articles, fill in the blanks with verb être or verb avoir, then correct the spellings, days of the week through flashcards. It's a game. So go through all these videos. The links are there in the description box. So let's start. Now here, the first sentence is Où habites-tu? Which means where do you live? So what's the problem? What you have to correct over here? So you have to recollect in your mind, just go through the verb, entire verb conjugation. So there is a mistake over here, either in the verb or either with the pronoun. So go through the pronouns as well. The link is there in the description box. So you should know the pronouns and the verb conjugation very well by heart. Okay, now here you see, when you recollect, when you go through the conjugation of verb habiter in your mind, you'll see that je habite, tu habites, il habite, elle habite. So over here the verb conjugation matches the je form, the il form, and the l form. In the tu form, it's S with the S. So over here, the S is missing. So if I put a S over here, then it becomes correct. Okay, so the mistake is you have to put a S over here, then it becomes où habites-tu, means where do you live. So what I'm going to do is où habites-tu, I'm going to add a S over here. So it means where do you live. Another way of correcting it is you change the what pronoun over here instead of tu. Now you can use je form, il form, and the l form, anything. So we are going to use the il and the l form, and now it is balanced. Okay, so où habite il, où habite elle. Okay, so it means where does he lives or where does she lives. Now it's correct. So let's see that next slide. How old are you? Quel âge avez-tu? Now, can you guess what is the mistake over here? So, the mistake is either you change the verb or you change the pronoun. Okay, so let's go through the verb conjugation first. So, this is avoir. Ave means avoir and age, always with avoir. So, avoir conjugation is j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, and vous avez. Right? So, quel âge avez-tu? So, what you are going to do? Think. So, avez is matching with what? Vous form, right? So, what you are going to do is first we'll change the pronoun. So, quel âge avez-vous? Okay? Quel âge avez-vous means how old are you? आप कितने साल के हैं? Okay? Formal. Now, the second way is quel âge dash and tu. So put the conjugation of verb avoir in the tu form. So tu is a, tu a. So you put the conjugation of avoir in the tu form. Quel âge as-tu? Same question, how old are you? But this is informal. तुम कितने साल के हो? Okay. Now let's see the next slide. Now, what is your name? So, como vous appelez-tu? So, can you find the mistake? Now, tu and ez is never together. These two things are never together. So the conjugation is in the who form, and here it is tu. So again, what you have to do is just change the pronoun. So let's go through the verb once. So nous appelons, vous appelez, right? So the conjugation matches the who form. So comment vous appelez, and you will remove this tu and put a vous over here. So we are going to add a vous over here, pronoun vous over here. Now it's correct. So comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Means what is your name? Okay. So guys, before ending, a small request that please like the video, do share and subscribe, and please don't forget to put your valuable comment. They really are really motivating and means a lot to me. So let's finish. So last slide is we are students. Now, nous, êtes, nous êtes, étudiants. Now, nous means we, but this conjugation is wrong over here. It's the, let's go through the conjugation first. So, être conjugation is nous sommes, vous êtes, and elles sont, right? So, over here, être is what? In the vous form, okay? Or in the nous form, it is sommes, okay? Means nous sommes means we are. So with nous, what you are going to add? Sommes. So it will become nous sommes étudiants. Nous sommes étudiants. Nous sommes étudiants. Right? Means we are students. Now over here to match with the conjugation et. Now et is in the vous form, vous êtes. So what you can put over here? Change the pronoun. So vous êtes étudiant. Okay. So now you see that we are students. Basically, nous sommes étudiants is we are students. And this sentence means you all are students. Students is plural. So vous will be vous êtes means you all are students. Clear? So thank you for watching and please like the video. Thank you.